Hi guys, in this video we are going to create the Grand League winning teams for the today's match between RCB versus SRH. So for creating the teams we are going to use our team generator software which is a team creating software for Dream 11 and My Team 11 and other fantasy applications also. So let's click on cricket here, and after that we need to click on generate teams and we need to choose the fantasy application that we are playing. So I'm going to select Dream 11 and after that continue. And we need to choose the series. Here I am going to select Dream IPL and after that continue. And we have lot of types of generations here. I would like to go with the advanced generation section, so it is a very powerful section. So let's go with advanced generation section. And we need to choose the teams in which the match is in between. So the match is in between SRH versus RCB. So RCB versus SRH. So after that continue. And we need to give the match number. You can give any match number, there will be no problem, because we are asking match number for storing the team's purpose. You can give any number, for example 105, you can give any number also. So let's continue. And we need to choose at least 6 players from each team. So let's select some of the players from RCB. So AB de Villiers and Shrikar Bharat, Virat Kohli, Glenn Maxwell, Devdutt Padikkal, and Shadab Ahmed, Daniel Christian. So you can take Daniel Christian also, and Harshal Patel, Mohammad Siraj, and Yuzvendra Chahal, and G. Garton from the RCB side. And from the SRH side, U. Malik is there. He is a new bowler, and Wriddhiman Saha and Kane Williamson. And we have Jason Roy. Actually this is a very good for the batting pitch, so you need to consider that it is a very good for batting pitch. Last match the scores of both the teams is the total scores is around 380 runs out of 40 overs, so it is going to be a very batting friendly pitch, so we need to consider that one. Priyam Garg, and you can leave some other Priyam Garg, that is your choice. If you want to take any risk, you can remove Priyam Garg and also Samad also, and Jason Holder we need to pick, and Sharma, Abhishek Sharma also you can leave, and Rashid Khan, Bhuvaneshwar Kumar, and Siddharth Kaul. So these are the players from the SRH side, and from the RCB side I have selected 11 and SRH from 8. So let's continue, and we need to select the fixed players. So I think Kane Williamson will definitely perform today well. He is a very good player. I think that is my prediction. So if you want to fix, you can fix Kane Williamson if you want to take risk. And also Glenn Maxwell is in good form. You can also select him as a fixed player. If you don't want to take risk, you can also, if you want, you can also select Virat Kohli as a fixed player. I don't want to select him. And also from the SRH side, if you want to fix Harshal Patel also, you can fix him. So I have fixed Harshal Patel from RCB side and Kane Williamson from SRH side. I think Kane Williamson will definitely perform today. That is my prediction. And continue. So let's select the captain players also. So captain players will be Virat Kohli, Devdutt Padikkal, and Glenn Maxwell, Harshal Patel from the RCB side, and from the SRH side, Kane Williamson, Jason Roy, and Jason Holder. These 3 will be the captain potential players, and after that continue. And for vice captain, let's select AB de Villiers, Virat Kohli, and Glenn Maxwell, Devdutt Padikkal, Harshal Patel, Yuzvendra Chahal. And for the SRH side, Wriddhiman Saha, Kane Williamson, Jason Holder, and Jason Roy, and Rashid Khan. These are the players you need to select for vice captain. These all are my predictions. So after that continue. So I think RCB will definitely win today. So I'm going to go with 7 players from RCB and only 4 players from SRH. So let's go with the 7 players from RCB, which is team 1, and continue. And the credit range will be 98 to 100, and after that continue. And we need to select 1 wicketkeeper strategies only, because Shrikar Bharat and Wriddhiman Saha is both of them are there. So Uddhaman Saha will be opening the opening, so we would have fixed Uddhaman Saha also. So 1-3-3-4 and 1-4-2-4, 1-5-2-3, 1-4-1-5, 1-4-3-3. These all are the combinations. And let's continue. You can also select this one. So let's continue and let's create 20 teams. So let's go into create 20 teams. You can see the teams are generated successfully and stored at match number 105, and all these teams are very accurate teams because we have used our strategies along with the software. So I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please go ahead like this video. If you don't like this video, you can dislike this video. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Stay hard, stay in fight.